Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with another sub box unboxing. What is this one called? I don't remember, but I know it has something to do with dragons, and I just got this today, and it's been so busy at work, I haven't had a chance to record any nail videos. You're seeing on my hands my new favorite, which I used Potion Perfection from the DIY Color Street Halloween kit that just came out in 2024, and Between the Lines and Dot, and I love it, but you can see there's already tip wear. I'm ready for something new this weekend, just don't know what yet. But let's open this box. If you subscribe to Color Play and you haven't received your box yet and you want to be surprised, turn off this video. But if you want to see my first impressions of what's in the box and don't care to ruin the spoiler alert, surprise, whatever, keep watching. So here we go. Let's open this. All right. It's been so crazy busy, but I've been excited and waiting for this box to arrive. Let's see what's in here and if I like them or not. Alright, we'll look at this later, but I do see Rise of the Dragons is what the box is called. And let's flip these over. Hey, they changed the insides! I like this better. It is not as messy and prickly as the other filling that's in there. The usual Color Street nail file and prep pad. Oh, let's look at the free gift first. Why does this look like jewelry? What is this? What is this? I love the little box. It's a ring. It is a ring. Oh, it's beautiful. I like that it's adjustable. Because look, if I can't adjust it, it's not going to fit on my fat fingers. It could fit on my pinky finger though. I could totally wear it as a pinky ring. But it's adjustable, so let's adjust it. Just a smidge. There we go. I do. Alright, let's keep that on. It is a very beautiful stone. That is... wow. I wonder if this is gold plated or what is it? I hope it doesn't turn my finger green. Okay, let's keep going, shall we? But that is a nice gift. I do like that. Do we start from the back? Yes, let's start from the back. Alright, this one's called Dragon's Breath. Dragon's Breath. Full set. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's dual chromy. No, it's what is that called? It's like totally in right now where it just, depending on which direction you look, it shifts color, and there's some micro blue glitter mixed up in there. So you see, I'm really not doing it justice with this lighting here. I apologize for that. I don't really know how else to show this. I don't know how the other folks who unbox their boxes do it with such great lighting. My lighting in this place is not the best. But if you can kind of see, it kind of shifts from blue to green to purple, which are all my favorite colors, and I'm loving this. I absolutely love it. Dragon's Breath. Alright, does that even match? Is that the front? Yeah, that kind of matches the front right here with that blue. So far so good. Let's see what's next. Mother of Dragons. Mother of Dragons. Another full set. Whoa. Again with these orange glitters. Okay. I've said this in one of the other unboxings. I don't know how I feel about certain color mixes with the orange glitter, because this looks like it's a ugly Manny. Okay, if you like ugly manis, you'll love this. The green, I like the green. I'm a fan of green, but the problem with the green and the orange to me is it looks like someone puked. Like they ate a whole bunch of like orange candy and then went bleh. So, Mother of Dragons. I do like the other big glitter though. So there's like some light minty green looking green like glitter, big glitters up in there. I'm sure I'll like it better in the sunlight too and natural lighting. But here in my home office, I am not feeling this color. But that's okay. There's more. Wings of Destiny. Wings of Destiny. Ooh, you know I love a good purple, and I love that little dark edge right there. Oh, and then it's got some reddish, pinkish, really fine, sparkly micro glitter all up in there. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Wings of Destiny. I think that also matches the front cover a little bit. Oh, another full set. Serpent's Spell. Ah, here we go. Green without those orange glitters. This I love. Ooh, and this and this. Very Halloween-y vibes. Halloween-y. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I love the scales right here. Very much like a serpent. I will definitely be using this, and then an accent of that, and then saving the rest for something else. And then last but not least, Sacred Scales. Looks like it is a clear overlay of scales that could be placed onto any of the other sets. Cool, cool, cool stuff. Here's Rise of the Dragons. So this is, if you follow Chinese zodiac, it is the year of the dragons. So I'm not surprised that they put this out in this year, even though it's a little later than I thought they would. But I guess to kind of tie in with October and Halloween vibes, the dark, mysterious, and all of that. So that's probably why. But October 2024, Color Street Color Play, Rise of the Dragons. In this month's box, turn fantasy into reality in Color Play's Rise of the Dragons. This box features fire-breathing shimmer and glitter designs, a fantastical glitter, and a fearless scale-patterned clear overlay that will raise your nail look and make any manicure soar. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design that will reign supreme. Bonus item, awaken the dragon from within wearing this majestic mother of pearl ring. And then meet the strips. Dragon's Breath is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter design. Unleash the dragon's breath with this purple to green dual chrome glitter with a black gradient and slithering lines. Wings of Destiny, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, shimmer design. Spread your wings of destiny with this purple shimmer with a black gradient and an abstract scale design. Sacred Scales is 1 sheet of 4-finger strips, clear overlay design. Layer this clear overlay with a scale pattern over your fierce manicure for a legendary look. And then Mother of Dragons, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter. Become a Mother of Dragons with this green flashed rustic brown glitter. And then Serpent's Spell, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, shimmer design. Fall under the Serpent's Spell with this reptilian green shimmer with a black gradient and a scale pattern. And then here above is Serpent's Spell, Dragon's Breath, Sacred Scales. I love that little dragon that she's holding. And then on the front cover, with that little crystal ball with the dragon in it, that one is Mother of Dragons, Serpent's Spell, Dragon's Breath, and Sacred Scales. And then on the back cover is Mother of Dragons and Serpent's Spell. And then, of course, share with us. Share your ferocious manicure on social media and use the hashtag #colorplay to show the world your creativity. Again, I still always forget to do that. One of these days I will remember to do that, but I rather like this box with, just the one Mother of Dragons that I'm not really big on. Everything else, beautiful. And the ring, absolutely gorgeous. And again, I'm so glad that they made it adjustable so that anybody can wear it, even us with our fat fingers. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. If you watched the whole thing, you know what to put down in the comments. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, dragon emoji, all these. Until next time, I'll see y'all. Peace.